Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome to Amazing Tech. Today, we're diving deep into the buzzing world of quantum AI, with a special focus on a project linked to none other than Elon Musk. Is it a groundbreaking leap in technology and trading? Or could it possibly be a well-crafted scam? Let's explore the ins and outs of quantum AI. In recent times, a deceptive scheme has been causing waves on social media platforms, particularly Facebook and Instagram. Known as the quantum AI scam, it cleverly features videos or images of Elon Musk alongside misleading text, suggesting his involvement in a cryptocurrency investment platform called quantum AI. But here's the catch. Elon Musk has absolutely no affiliation with any venture named quantum AI. The scam shamelessly exploits his name, image, and reputation with the aim of duping unsuspecting individuals. Upon clicking on these deceptive ads, victims are redirected to a website hosted at tradesmartinvestment.com, masquerading as the official platform for quantum AI. The website cunningly creates an illusion of Elon Musk endorsing the platform, providing elaborate descriptions of how quantum AI purportedly generates substantial returns through trading Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Contrary to the enticing promises on the website, neither Elon Musk nor quantum AI is involved in any legitimate investment activities. The entire setup is a carefully orchestrated facade designed to persuade victims to part with their money, leading to inevitable financial losses. The quantum AI scam preys on the trust people place in Elon Musk's name and exploits the widespread interest in cryptocurrency investments. These fraudulent advertisements not only falsely associate Musk with the scheme but also make bold claims about the platform's profitability, enticing potential victims with the prospect of significant returns. As victims navigate through the deceptive website, they may be presented with seemingly convincing details about quantum AI's trading strategies and success stories. However, it's crucial for individuals to recognize the red flags and exercise caution. Law enforcement agencies and social media platforms are actively working to identify and shut down these scams. Authorities urge users to report deceptive advertisements to prevent further exploitation. Moreover, Elon Musk himself has disassociated from any involvement in quantum AI, emphasizing the need for individuals to verify information before making any investment decisions. In the elaborate web of the quantum AI scam, the fraudulent website employs a series of common tactics to ensnare unsuspecting visitors, preying on their trust and financial aspirations. First and foremost, the scam website shamelessly asserts a false association with Elon Musk and his reputable companies, leveraging Musk's name and image to create an illusion of legitimacy and credibility. However, it is crucial for visitors to recognize that Elon Musk has no involvement with quantum AI, and any such claims are nothing more than deceptive tactics. Adding a layer of fabricated authenticity, the website incorporates fake testimonials from purportedly satisfied investors. These testimonials serve as a manipulative tool aiming to convince visitors that quantum AI has a track record of success. In reality, these testimonials are entirely fictitious and should be viewed with skepticism. To further entice potential victims, the scam website makes grandiose promises of unusually high and consistent investment returns. Such promises should raise immediate red flags, as legitimate investment opportunities rarely guarantee such outcomes. The allure of quick and significant profits is a classic tactic employed by scams to lure individuals into their traps. The quantum AI scam also employs high-pressure sales tactics, creating a sense of urgency that insists visitors must invest quickly to secure their spot. This urgency is a calculated move to bypass rational thinking and push individuals into making impulsive decisions without proper consideration. Once within the WhatsApp group, victims find themselves under the relentless pressure of scam team members posing as quantum AI representatives. These individuals employ persuasive tactics to coerce victims into swiftly investing funds, typically through Bitcoin or credit card payments. Unfortunately, those who succumb to these pressures never witness any returns on their investments, as the scammers abruptly cut off communication, leaving victims with substantial financial losses. Despite the seemingly sophisticated design of the quantum AI scam, a discerning eye reveals a multitude of red flags that should prompt individuals to exercise extreme caution and skepticism. Here are key indicators that point towards the fraudulent nature of this investment scheme. 1. False association with Elon Musk. The claim of an association with Elon Musk is a blatant falsehood. Elon Musk has never endorsed any investment scheme named Quantum AI. Any suggestion otherwise is a deceptive tactic used to exploit Musk's reputation and influence for the scammer's gain. 2. Lack of proper registration. Legitimate investment platforms are typically registered and regulated to ensure compliance with financial laws and standards. The lack of such registration for Quantum AI raises serious doubts about its authenticity and legality. 3. Promise of guaranteed returns. The promise of guaranteed returns is a classic indicator of a scam. No legitimate investment platform can legitimately guarantee profits. Investments inherently carry risks, and any platform asserting otherwise is likely attempting to deceive individuals with false assurances. 4. Use of WhatsApp. The use of WhatsApp as an investment platform is highly irregular. Reputable investment companies rely on secure and regulated channels for communication and transactions. The fact that Quantum AI directs victims to join a WhatsApp group is a significant red flag, deviating from industry norms and raising suspicions about the legitimacy of the operation. If you found this exploration fascinating, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. What aspect of this AI scam surprised you the most? Do you have any experience of a scam? If yes, share it in the comment below. Make sure to subscribe for more tech adventures. Until next time, stay curious, stay tech-savvy, and keep embracing the AI-driven future. Thanks for joining us at Amazing Tech.